These two are both love to play each other, but when somebody get hurt, they will fight. But not fight, it's hard, but just a mild fight. They're sisters. They love each other. Right now they're enjoying their games, their play. Shango is the dominating one. They'll fight, see? Look at that. These two are crazy. Shango is the black one. Lucy is the brown one. And when they play, Lucy will stay and let Shango comes back to her. Lucy is the laziest one, and she is the heaviest one and big
Shango is the one who's running far away and come back. Lucy will not move.
Kaya yun, pag every time na matamaan yan siya, magagalit. They're really cute. I love them both. pag si
Los, how can you
Shango ang gusto maglaro, and si Lucy ayaw,
if you keep
Lucy will lay down.
And waiting for her?
Pag si Shango ang gusto maglaro, si Lucy gusto maglaro, Shango
she go far away and then
hindi,
come back.
Shango will ignore Lucy. Ganyan yun silang
The other
dalawa.
one just stay in the place, man.
It's funny. They're like kids playing.
Go more. Drink water, just a minute.
No, she's tired. She's done.
Yeah. We still have another one, babe.
Ay, naku.